Narai Hill Golf Resort and Country Club, the only standard 27-hole golf course in the Lopburi Province, Thailand. When you are looking for the perfect leisure and breaths with natural scenario, here at the Narai Hill, we provide many types of accommodation. Such as standard hotel accommodation, our guests could be delighted with other facilities such as fitness, sauna, and restaurant. Pool with hydrotherapy system is provided for stress relief and surrounded by the mountain scene. Two standard seminar rooms with capacity of 100 to 200 audiences, wedding ceremony, and mini concerts. Activities for relaxation that monitoring by professionals like horse riding, hippotherapy. The Narai Hill, we are delighted to bring in an impressiveness and graceful experiences in every service of us.